Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to speak to you about how to really deepen your breath. So quite often in my classes and here on this channel, I will speak about breathing with your belly, breathing with your pelvis, or even like sending your breath into a certain part of your body. Now, all of this takes quite a lot of awareness, and I think that it makes sense that people tell me, oh, it's hard to understand what that really means. And I don't think I can really explain that in words. I think that's something that will come with a lot of practice and practicing your awareness and sort of your inner gaze. But today I want to show you one essential exercise to lower your breath. So if we speak mainly about not only breathing up here, so this is a very, very physical thing, right? You can breathe up here so your chest is expanding, or you could breathe so that your belly is expanding. And this in itself is quite hard. Often we find ourselves having a lot of contractions down here and the breath doesn't really sink all the way down. So I'm not saying that you always need to breathe with your belly, but it is a very helpful tool to use in relaxation, in grounding, I would say that you have a lot of positive things to gain from being able to send your breath all the way down. Okay, so let me show you this exercise. You can do this seated and standing as well. However, if this is something that is new to you, I would say the best way to do it to begin with is by laying down. When you're laying down, the floor is supporting you. You have nothing you have to, you don't need to hold your body in any type of way. So let's begin. You lay down on the floor, like so, on our backs. I hope my ponytail is not in the way. Yeah, it definitely is in the way. Okay, so laying down like so. Okay, little pussycat. Okay, my cat is inspired by this. So, laying down like so, trying to relax completely in your body. Melissa. Nej, ungefär i video. Okay. Laying down like so, try to relax completely in your body. I would like you to place your hands on your chest, so where your ribs are, and you can breathe 3 times into your chest. Now, pay attention to the touch of your hands, but also the floor. So your chest is, let's say your chest is held by the floor in the back. So you have the touching of the floor that's bringing awareness to the back of your chest. And then you have your hands on the front. So as you breathe now, see if you can think that your breath is a 3-dimensional thing. It's a balloon that is expanding both forward, backward, and at the sides. Okay, 3 times. Breathe in. And exhale. And do it again 2 more times. So I prefer breathing through my nose, in and out through my nose. Last time. And okay. Now place your hands at the bottom of your ribs, like where your ribs are ending. So part of your hand is on your ribs and part of your hand is on that soft place right underneath it. And we breathe again 3 times. Remember, 3-dimensional breath. It's a balloon expanding. See if you can send the breath where your hands are. Well done. Now take your hands and place them on your belly, so on the soft space here on your belly. And see if you can send that breath down all the way into your hands here 3 times. Exhale. So you may feel like you are forcing this, and that's okay. 2. One more breath. Now we will repeat this sequence one more time. I just want to add that if you would like to send your breath even further down, you could place your hands on the front of your hips right here and do the same exercise here. Now we're going to stop and just repeat it one more time so we get into it, and then you can use this as you please or as you feel is more helpful to you. So I place my hands on my rib cage, at the front of my rib cage, and inhale, exhale 3 times. Try to expand 360. One more breath. Now place your hands at the end of your ribs, so half of your palm is on the ribs and half of it is off of them. And inhale, exhale 3 times. See if you can find that same expansion at the back of the body and at the sides of the body as well. One more. Well done. Place your hands on the soft part of your belly, so at the front here, and inhale, exhale. See how my belly is expanding? So I'm pushing the air all the way down. 2 more. Last one. Okay, well done. Come up to seated. Let's speak about what we just did. Oh, excuse my cat. Okay, so I hope this is making sense. Let me just fix my ponytail. So as we were laying there, I asked you to place your hands on your rib cage and place your hands on your, what is this called? Your waist, and then down here on your belly. So you do that to feel sort of the pressure, not so much of your hands against your chest, but of your chest against your hands as you're inhaling. So you get that extra awareness, when you are focusing, let's say your hands are functioning as an inner eye to your body. So you are using your hands to bring your focus to this specific part of your body, and that can make it kind of easier to see where your breath is and to send your breath in certain areas. Now, sometimes in dance practices or other practices as well, we will kind of speak about sending breath into another place in your body that might be in the peripheries, and you could apply the same technique. Like if you want to send breath into your thigh, you could touch it and so on. But I would say that that is an awareness that comes with practice. It comes with a lot of moving. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy this exercise. I do suggest that this is something you want to do before you actually do your daily practice. So you can just lay down and do this breath work before you work out or you do your yoga or whatever you like to do. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. I thank you so much for being here today, and I will see you next time. Ciao!